Welcome to another video on investing in stock. Today's video is about the online retail broker I use in buying my stock. I've been making videos about stock, about you buying stock without actually telling you how to buy stock. So in this video, I'll show you the online broker I use in buying my stock. Now, this video is not sponsored, so you can use whatever you want to in buying your stock. There's so many out there. I use Degiro. You can decide to use plus 500 or trading 212 or eToro. Whatever you feel comfortable, use. But I'm just showing you what I use, why I use it, and I'll give you a breakdown analysis of my portfolio. So without wasting much of your time, I'll jump into the system and then give you a breakdown of how to use this app. But before I do that, I will encourage you, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and smash that like button. If you're already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I sincerely appreciate, but do not forget, you still need to smash that like button because it does help the YouTube algorithm. And please, let's share this video. Let's get more people involved and let's get more people winning. So welcome to my world. This is where I actually invest in stock. This is where I buy my stock from. Like I say, Degiro. This is what I use. And I'm not telling you to use this particular stock. You can use anything you want to, but this is what I use. This video is not sponsored, just to repeat that. Okay, the reason why I use the stock is because of this. The fees are incredibly low. To be honest with yourself, you can see how much it costs to buy Irish shares like this and how much to buy shares in the UK, US, and also buying ETFs. You can compare directly. Like if I hit the compare button right now, you see how much it is compared to Davy, Goodbody, and the rest. You see 250 and buying 1,000 euro worth of Bank of Ireland shares for just €2.50 compared to 14.99 Davy and the rest. So this is one of the reasons why I use Degiro. Also, the use, it is easy to use. Everything is straightforward. You can do this yourself. You don't need anybody to guide you. There's no rocket science here. Very easy. So just go in, because for new starters wanting to invest, you need this for you to buy shares. So you can go in and open an account real quick. So for you to open an account, you need an email address, create a username, and put a password as well. So once you key in your password, that's the first three things you need to open an account. As soon as that account is open, you are required to send a verification to know who you are. You can use a data page of your passport or your driver's license, the back and the front. Now, once you have those two sent in, you're also required to link your bank account. Now, they only require the traditional bank account, which means maybe your Bank of Ireland or Ulster Bank, your regular bank account where you get paid. These Degiro currently do not support Revolut or PayPal. They want your actual bank account. Now, from that account is where you send money to your brokerage account to buy your shares, and the same account you can withdraw money into, like if you want to withdraw your interest, your dividend, or if you sell your shares, you want to take your profit. That's where they send your money back to. That's why they need a direct bank, a solid bank. Now, what happens again is, once opening the account, yes, they will take 50 cents off your account, just 50 cents. This is just to open the account. This money will be returned to yourself. And lastly, you'll be required to take a test, just a simple test. This is because they want to understand your person. They want to know if you've invested in the past and how long have you been investing. It's an easy peasy test, to be honest with yourself. It's something that if you fail, you have 24 hours to do it again, and you have 3 attempts per day. So these questions are questions that are like repeated. Even is, when you have like 500 questions that they ask people time and time. So if you master the question, once you feel they tell you the right answer, you read that. So in case you try it again, it comes back, you can respond and get it passed, so you can start investing. So that's it. That's all you need to know. It's available on you can get the app on your phone and a whole lot. So just go in and log in so I can show you how to buy shares. So I'll log into my account real quick. So this is IZ Boom. So as soon as you get into the account, this is what you get to see. This is the home page. You get to see the markets. You see winners and losers, currency for those doing forex, futures, stock to watch for shares. This is what I deal on. And then you can see commodities if you want to buy commodities. You see the price point, you read news on whatever you need to know, and the whole lot. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight to how to buy shares. Now, if you have a particular company in mind you want to buy, all you need to do is come here. Let's say we're searching for Apple because we want to buy Apple shares. You come here, it populates here for you. You click on that and it loads up. So Apple closed in at 131.99 as at the 24th of December 2020. So this is what they closed. So if you want to buy Apple, before I get into you buying and selling the shares, everyone, I just need to explain what this graph is. So this graph is how the prices, how the shares have been reacting in the market. You can see 1 day, 1 week, how they've performed in the last 7 days. You can actually check it for a month, 3 months, all the way to 5 years, how the shares have been performing. You can read news about Apple here, what's going on, latest information about them, get the company information, check the income statement, what analysts think about the stock before you make an investment. And then if you come down here, you can see the market cap and the whole lot, what's going on within the organization. Now, this applies to all organizations. So they give you a breakdown. If there's an upcoming dividend payment, it tells you, yeah, your earning calendar and the whole lot. So now this is the pricing data for yourself. It tells you the volume of the stock available and the bids. If the market was open, you see the prices reacting here. The bid and the ask, the bid volume and the ask volume, you see them going up and down during the day. So you can actually see them. But because the market is not open, today is a Sunday, the market will be open tomorrow. So that's it. Now, if you need to buy, all you need to do is click on the buy button here and you can decide to buy here. Now you can see the default is limit. What they mean by limit is if you're not willing to buy Apple at 131.99 because you feel it's expensive and you want it cheaper, you believe in the next couple of days you can get the share for 129, you can leave it at the limit and come down here and say I want 10 of Apple, but not for 131.99. I want it for 129. Now this calculates that, and your account manager understands the fact that you want it for 129. Now, if you believe so much that on a Monday it's going to come down to 129, you can leave it as a day order. But what happens here is if it doesn't come down to 129 as at the time the market closes on Monday, it will the whole transaction will cancel automatically because we couldn't meet the price points. So this will end. If you get what I mean, this will cancel. So if you're doing this, the best way to go about it is for you to put the good to clear, which means it will stay available at 129 until this clears, until it will stay available until it comes down to 129. And whenever it comes down to 129, your account manager will buy. So with this, you can then place the order. It loads up here. It tells you 10 shares GTC good to clear at 129 will cost you this. Like I said, the market is closed, so you can't see the current bid and the ask, how much is being charged. But the estimated fee for the Degiro is just 53, and you can hit the confirm button, and that's that. If you don't want that, you can also buy using the market. So the market actually means you coming in and buying at this price. You don't want a situation where you want to wait because you believe it may go up, it won't come down. So you just want to buy what is selling for right now. You just come in here and just the day order, you click the number of shares you want, which is 10, and you place your order, it summarizes it, and then you just confirm. Boom. It goes in and it buys at this point because you believe it's not going to come down. So that's how you buy. And it's the same way with the sell as well. So if you want to sell, you can actually sell at the current price, or you can decide to set limits as well. Now the limit in this case will be, okay, I want to sell 5 of my shares if the price goes up to 180, and I'll say GTC, and I'll forget about it. I place that order, and then whenever it gets to 180, it sells, and I make my money. I work out of Apple. So this is not just Apple shares. You can do this. Just check real quick. I live in Ireland. I'll just check run. So this is run. Closed at 16.34 as at the 24th. So I'll just click buy and do the very same thing. Say limit. I'll set my number that I want 200 of these shares if the price come down to 11. Yeah, I'm being optimistic here because Ryanair is on my watch list. I once saw it for like €9, but I did not buy it. Now I'm hoping it comes down to 11. So with this, I can decide to like place my order, and it loads up here. And as soon as it comes down, now when it comes to buying Irish shares, you see, because I've gone up to 200, now the estimated fee is 310, and then there's always a tax because I'm buying here. So there's VAT and a whole lot, financial transaction tax. So that's it. So technically, that's how you buy your shares and the whole lot. It's easy peasy, straightforward. There's nothing too fancy about this. There's no rocket science here. So that's all you need to know. My advice here is if you're planning to buy in 2021, if you're planning to invest in 2021, I'll advise you to open an account right now. It doesn't cost money for you to run this account. Like, you open this account and it's there for yourself. If you're new to this channel, please, I'll encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and smash the like button. For those of you already subscribed, you're the star. I sincerely appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for subscribing. And do not forget, you still need to smash that like button, and let's share this video. Let's get more people involved. Let's build this community. Let's get a team of winners. This is how we can buy our shares. Some people are doing jobs that are not pensionable. This is one way for you to save for your future, for you to invest for your future. And I'll give a proper tutorial about the Degiro. I'll just go through all this little thing, the market favorite portfolio, how to use this various stuff. I'll do a proper one going forward, but this is just for me to show you how you can buy stuff, because after I made the last video, I received a couple of calls and people asked me, how can I buy? So I thought within myself that this is the best way. This is the best video to do now to get people ready for 2021. So that's it from myself. Do have yourself a fantastic week and a happy new year in advance. See you in 2021.